Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let me go back, and here we have to scroll down to find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down, and here we've got this ringtone and alert sounds, and let's tap on the ringtone which is connected with the incoming calls. So here we've got two different sections which are pre-installed from which we can choose the ringtone from, so classic and nature. And here we've got also this custom option, so basically after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. If you've got something recorded or downloaded from the internet, and obviously if it is compatible, then you will be able to choose it and set it as your own ringtone. But I will pick something from the nature ones. Let me simply tap on it, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to basically tap on it, and then your device will allow you to listen to it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I wish to set maybe this blanket of snow as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to simply tap on it, just like I would like to listen to it, make sure that it is marked and go back. Let's go back again, and as you can see it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.